Hey there, health warriors. Are you looking for a natural way to help your kidneys and lower creatinine levels? You're in the right place. Today, we're talking about an amazing tea that could be your kidney's new best friend. Let's get real for a moment. Did you know that 1 in 3 American adults might be at risk for kidney disease? That's not just a number. It's a serious health warning. Taking care of your kidneys isn't just important. It's crucial for your overall health. Imagine having a simple, natural drink that can support your kidney function and help lower your creatinine levels. Think about the benefits: more energy, better health, and the peace of mind that comes from taking care of your body. Stick around, because I'm about to share a secret weapon for kidney health that could change everything. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Moringa Tea, your kidney's superhero. First up is Moringa Tea. And wow, this tea is something special. If you have diabetes or know someone who does, listen up. This tea might be exactly what you need. What exactly is moringa? It's a plant from India that now grows in Asia, Africa, and South America. You can find it in most herbal shops or online. For people with kidney problems, moringa tea is like a superhero for your kidneys. Why is it so amazing? Moringa is packed with powerful compounds that fight inflammation, the bad guy behind kidney damage. It's loaded with antioxidants and can even help lower blood pressure. It's so good, it might just become your new favorite drink. Pro tip: want to make your moringa tea even more powerful? Add a little coconut oil and a pinch of black pepper. This trick helps your body absorb the good stuff even better. It's like turning your tea into a superhero potion for your kidneys. Dandelion tea, your natural kidney helper. Looking for a natural way to lower creatinine and fight fluid retention? Meet dandelion tea, your new kidney-friendly drink. What's so special about dandelion? This isn't just a simple weed. For centuries, people have used dandelion in traditional medicine. Now, you can easily find it in tea bags at your local supermarket or online. Dandelion tea is a powerhouse of health benefits. Helps regulate blood sugar, rich in antioxidants, supports kidney health, lowers blood pressure, acts as a natural detoxifier. Important caution: dandelion tea contains potassium. If your potassium levels are already high, you might want to choose a different tea. Don't worry, I've got more kidney-friendly tea options coming up. Stay with me, and we'll explore more amazing teas that can help protect your health. Ginger and turmeric tea, your healing brew. Introducing our third tea, a powerful combination of ginger and turmeric. This isn't just a drink, it's a natural medicine packed into a simple tea bag, perfect for those dealing with chronic kidney disease. Ginger, the healing spice. Let's talk about ginger. This spice does wonders for your body. It helps manage diabetes by balancing blood sugar levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties ease discomfort and promote healing. Ginger reduces fluid retention, a common issue for kidney patients. It can even slightly lower blood pressure, supporting better heart health. Turmeric, the inflammation fighter. Then we have turmeric, the golden root known for its active compound curcumin. What makes curcumin so special? It tackles inflammation like prescription medications, but without the side effects. For kidney patients, it can also reduce protein levels in the urine, a vital benefit for long-term kidney health. Who should try this tea? This healing brew isn't just for kidney health. It's ideal if you're struggling with chronic inflammation, joint pain and stiffness, fatigue that won't go away, tendinitis, or muscle discomfort. And here's a little extra. Ginger is also fantastic for soothing nausea, making this tea a perfect companion on tough days. Peppermint tea, your natural kidney and urinary health. Ally Peppermint tea is a remarkable drink that offers more than just a refreshing taste. This incredible beverage is a natural powerhouse for kidney and urinary health, packed with benefits that can transform your well-being. The magic of peppermint tea lies in its unique composition of essential oils, like menthol and menthone, which provide powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. For individuals struggling with diabetes, this tea can be a game changer, improving insulin sensitivity and helping to reduce glucose absorption. What makes peppermint tea truly special is its effectiveness against urinary tract infections. Its diuretic and antibacterial properties make it an excellent natural remedy for those battling UTIs. The tea works gently yet effectively to support your body's natural healing processes. When choosing peppermint tea, be sure to select a genuine product from your local supermarket. Avoid peppermint-flavored green tea and opt for pure peppermint or fresh peppermint leaves. During summer, it becomes an especially delightful drink. Cool, refreshing, and incredibly beneficial. Whether you're looking to support kidney health, manage diabetes, or simply enjoy a delicious beverage, peppermint tea offers a natural solution. It's not just a drink, it's a holistic approach to wellness in a simple, soothing cup. Hibiscus tea, a kidney health hero. Let's talk about hibiscus tea, number 5 on our list and a must-have for every CKD patient. Why? It's not just delicious and packed with antioxidants. Hibiscus is a powerful medicinal plant that's easy to find in ready-to-use tea bags at your local store. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Hibiscus tea can be a game changer for your kidney health. How? By helping you manage high blood pressure naturally. Why high blood pressure matters. High blood pressure is a common issue for people with chronic kidney disease. To manage it, many rely on medications like diuretics, ACE inhibitors, and ARBs. While these medications can be effective, there's a downside. The more you depend on them, the harder it becomes to improve kidney function. Here's the good news. Studies and personal experience show that patients who lower their blood pressure naturally, without excessive medication, often see better kidney function over time. That's where hibiscus tea comes in. Hibiscus tea, a hidden gem. Hibiscus tea is one of the best natural ways to lower creatinine levels. Finding it in the supermarket is like discovering a hidden treasure. It's not just a tea, it's a simple yet powerful tool for improving your health. Antioxidants, the key to kidney health. Wondering why hibiscus tea works so well? It's all about the antioxidants. These natural compounds play a vital role in protecting your kidneys. And here's something interesting. Teas and beverages contribute up to 80% of your daily antioxidant intake for many people. That's why choosing a tea you enjoy daily is so important. So, while hibiscus tea is amazing for your kidneys, you might still wonder, what tea could possibly be better? Stay tuned, because antioxidants are the secret weapon for kidney health, and the right tea can make all the difference. Green tea, your daily dose of health. If there's one tea I'd recommend you drink every day, it's green tea. This isn't just another beverage, it's an antioxidant powerhouse and the perfect way to kickstart your morning. Why green tea stands out. So, why green tea and not another tea? Well, choosing something else is like casting the wrong actor for a leading role. Imagine Steven Seagal in a romantic movie when you could have Hugh Jackman. Green tea is the Wolverine of the tea world, strong, reliable, and packed with benefits. Jokes aside, green tea earns its reputation because of its high content of polyphenols, especially a compound called EGCG. This magical component offers incredible health benefits, supports heart health, great for your cardiovascular system, protects your kidneys, helps reduce damage to these vital organs, aids weight loss, boosts your metabolism, and promotes fat burning. Balances blood sugar, improves fasting glucose levels, especially helpful for people with diabetes. Why you should drink it every day. Green tea is so versatile that there's no excuse not to make it a daily habit. If caffeine isn't your thing, don't worry. Decaffeinated green tea is widely available and just as beneficial. Garlic and ginger tea. Here's something special for number 7. Instead of looking in the tea aisle, you'll find the ingredients in the vegetable section or your pantry. The best part? This tea takes only 10 minutes to prepare. I know this video is about store-bought teas, but garlic and ginger tea is so beneficial for kidney health that I had to include it. Let's get started. Garlic and ginger tea, a kidney booster. Garlic. Use 2 to 4 fresh garlic cloves. Crush them and let them sit for 10 minutes before brewing. Garlic is excellent for kidney patients. It helps lower blood pressure and manage diabetes, almost as effectively as the medication metformin. It balances blood pressure and blood sugar levels without causing any side effects. Ginger. Add a small piece of fresh ginger, about 3 to 4 grams. Ginger enhances the tea's flavor and provides anti-inflammatory benefits, which are great for kidney health. Lemon. Juice 3 fresh lemons after rolling them on the counter. Lemon adds a tangy flavor and is one of the best foods for kidney detox. When combined with garlic, it boosts the tea's ability to lower cholesterol. Cinnamon. Add a pinch of cinnamon to the tea. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, making it a helpful addition for diabetes management. How to make it. Combine all these ingredients with water and bring it to a slow boil. Your tea is now ready to enjoy. Sip it throughout the day to support your kidney health. Garlic is the star of this tea, turning it into a superfood for kidney health. With its natural ability to lower blood pressure, manage blood sugar, and reduce inflammation, this tea is a simple and effective way to care for your kidneys. Give it a try. Number 8. Nettle leaf tea. Number 8 on our list is nettle leaf tea, a lesser-known yet incredibly effective option for supporting kidney health. Nettle has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and it's especially valued for its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic choice for individuals with CKD. Why nettle leaf tea? Nettle tea works by naturally promoting increased urine production, which can help flush out toxins, reduce fluid retention, and lower creatinine levels. Its high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds also protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and damage. Additionally, nettle is rich in essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, magnesium, and iron, which can improve overall health and help combat anemia, an issue commonly faced by CKD patients. How to use nettle tea. You can find nettle tea in convenient tea bags at most health food stores and online. However, for maximum benefit, opt for organic nettle tea made from high-quality dried leaves. Precautions. While nettle tea offers many benefits, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your diet, especially if you're on diuretics or blood-thinning medications, as it may interact with these treatments. Nettle leaf tea is a powerful ally for your kidneys and overall health. Definitely worth adding to your tea collection.